Please understand, the 16th sound you should not transmit it to anybody in any form, whether writing or speaking. It is only for you to ripe, get enlightened. And I am not the guy who usually tells you to keep anything secret. This one thing I am telling means it's really tradition. Just respect it, that's all. And I also wanted to respect some of the traditions. And this is the Sampradaya of Sadashiva Rishi, where Mahadeva describes his inner space as per the Sri Vidya tradition. So now I will recite the mantra, you can repeat, and even though I have not wrote the 16th sound in this leaf, I blessed this leaf with the 16 sounds, so you can keep this under your pillow while you sleep. That 16 sounds will be going on in your inner space. Or because you have got some 4 or 5 leaves, I have given other mantra leaf also. You can put all these leaves bunch and put it under the bed itself. Even your wife or husband is not interested, they will suddenly start getting interested in me and all the sounds will start working on them. And they will say, "Oye, nee edo mandaram panni vechita enakku." திடீர்னு உங்க சாமியார் கனவுல வந்துட்டே இருக்காரு. They will tell, "Oh, you have done some mantra for me. All the time your Swami is in my dream." They don't know who is under the bed. So you can put it under the bed also. You will be receiving the mantra of Mahadeva as he gave. See, there are many mantras of Mahadeva which disciples used, but this is the mantra of Mahadeva which he gave it to Devi. First time ever in this body I am going to give that in this IA. Understand? First time. Even for my ashramites I have not given that. It's called Samediksha. In Kamika Agama, Mahadeva describes how he initiated Devi. So you will be having Samediksha, means the same sound and the same syllable you will be receiving. His own name given by him, the way he gave, you will be receiving. You can keep that also under the bed or under the pillow. It will all be going on in your inner space all the time. And this sound and that mantra, they are all not too different. See, the sound of Mahadeva is the universe in its source form. This 16 sound is universe in its active form. That is just the source form. This is just active form. Even for ashramites and sannyasis, I have not given the Samediksha as Mahadeva describes. First time I am going to share that in this IA. You will be having maybe within next few days. We are working on getting darshan of Vishwanatha. Early morning is waking up darshan. See, Vishwanatha temple is the only temple where the deity is put to bed in Garbha Mandir. He doesn't move out of Garbha Mandir. So he will be put to bed in Garbha Mandir itself every night. So it is such a sweet scene to see early morning how he is woken up. It will be so cute to see the Somarasa bottle for him, the can and the milk can and the paduka, and there will be small beautiful sweet Devi's deity sitting and pressing his feet, and the nice silver cot and the mosquito curtain for him. It's a scene to be seen early morning how the pujaris wake him up, especially if you have a devotion that he is there alive, you will just enjoy it. I asked them to make arrangements for us to see that darshan. So we are all going to have that darshan. And then that is the time. See, actually I told them last time itself that I wanted, when I am doing Rudrabhishekam, all disciples to pass through so that we can give you guys the photograph of me, Vishwanatha and you from the CCTV camera. Last time we got only some 40 peoples. And because the public started coming in, this time I told, no, give us some time where all of you will get the photo. Last time 40 people only had darshan, while I was doing Rudrabhishekam. I think you had darshan. No, you came after. Oh. And 40 people only we got. This time we are planning. Hope all of you will be able to move while I am doing the Rudrabhishekam. It will take around 40 minutes for me to do the Rudrabhishekam. Within 40 minutes, all you guys, if you move, we will get the picture of Achalamurthy, Sachalamurthy and you from the CCTV camera. That footage in Annapurni temple, don't miss having darshan of that Moola Devata of our Sangha, Mahanirvani Pita, that Sri Yantreshwara, which all of you are carrying. The main deity, you see, this form of God is installed by Abhinava Gupta, Guru of Adi Shankara, in Annapurna temple. That form only is given to all of you. Tomorrow don't miss having darshan. If you want, you can take your Atmalinga and touch it on him and bring. And that's what. I do not know whether it is tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Within next 2-3 days, we will be going to have darshan. Yes, you can offer Ganga water, anything. Yes. When I am doing Rudrabhishekam, you can offer everything. You can have his darshan, offer everything, and everything is okay. As I said, Mahadeva gives the permission for your individual worship, not only right to worship, the method to worship is also full freedom. He doesn't have any restriction, even on method to worship. He is the most easily accessible God. Asudosha, easily pleased. Here in Varanasi, literally it is the right to worship the way you want is allowed. Only thing, don't put plastic and all in that where Mahadeva is sitting. Don't put plastic and any other dirty things, that's all. Out of respect. Shall we start now? Will you all recite along with me? Please listen. Repeat along with me. Om Ka Ye E La Hreem Ha Sa Ka Ha La Hreem Sa Ka La Hreem. Repeat. If you repeat 2-3 times, without effort you will be able to do. Let me show you. When you do that, how many of you feel from lower abdomen to here, it's just... Tongue can be any way, because only this part you are going to use it. It's only 2-3 seconds, then automatically it will release. It will be released. Everyone is getting it? Getting it? Any of you have doubt in the 16 sound? Ask me, I'll answer. I see that last line, like Sri Lalita Mahatripura Sundari Parapattarigaye Namaha is the japa. That is the mantra used in the Sri Vidya Homa to offer our offerings. So when you offer the offerings, our name is also described. So that is not the 16th sound. That is like a worshipping her, Devi. See, mother is lord of the 16 sounds. She is the owner of this active universe. So that is why we worship her along with this 15 sound. That is for the sake of Homa. Don't be disturbed about it. Sri Lalita Mahatripura Sundari Parapattarigaye Swaha. That's the mantra with which they will be offering. When we are doing Sri Vidya Homa, they will be offering all the offerings to mother. So everyone is clear about the 16 sounds? That is okay. Okay, no problem. Actually, now you will see, when I am initiating you all now, you don't need to repeat that 16 sounds. When I am repeating, suddenly your body will start responding to it. You will see your body will start responding to it. You don't have to struggle at all. See, I am like an instant food. You don't need to do anything other than just open your mouth. I will automatically push it into your mouth and use the stick and even pushing it into that mouth to the stomach, I will do it and you just digest.
Swamiji, on the palm leaf, it's written differently than you were saying. First one is different.
And you see what I am saying, this palm leaf is made for the sake of the Homa. So don't worry at all. Just leave it. And do as I am saying. See, the Om Aim Hreem, Shreem is the Moola mantra of this last side, the Sri Lalita. You understand?
Yes.
So it is made specially for that. It starts with the Ka only. Ka, Ye, Yi, La. That is what is the 16 sounds. All of you are clear now? All doubts are cleared? You just operate only here. That's all.
Swami,
Which side?
Stage side. What happens if you share the 16th syllable?
You should not share. Why do you want to ask what happens if you share? Don't share, that's all.
Okay.
Yes. This mantra.
Not the last one, the other part of
Okay.
it.
We can make a small that repeat box, chatter box. That will be nice. Ma,
Some-
can you note down and let's make the box in the. No, without 16th. The 16th cannot be heard other than the directly from the Guru's mouth. Yes, SoundCloud, come on. You can 15 you can put it. Yes, you can put it. He's promoting his project. Good. He's the SoundCloud Mahant. Yes, if you are hearing my discourses, everything, and enjoying in SoundCloud, he is responsible. He does all by himself. And as a single-handedly, he is running the SoundCloud. And I am enjoying. I listen. I listen to develop what better way I can present. That's a feedback mechanism for me, so I also listen. And he has put my laughter also in that.
Swamiji, the 16 sound, it's a little bit like kind of like blocking.
So it's actually not even a sound.
I mean,
It's
not
a
not
kriya to
sound, but-
awaken your kundalini, to tell you honestly. It's a simple kriya to awaken your kundalini. That is what is the 16th sound. It's an action, not sound.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's not sound, but the
It's
action is
action.
kind of like a blocking.
Yes, you are right. But you should not be blocking it continuously. Only that 2 second or 3 second. After that, you have to release. it is also a powerful method for sudden enlightenment. At one day, suddenly with that 16 sound, you will see the Kundalini is on Sahasrara and everything is opened up. It's a powerful process for sudden enlightenment. That's why always Shaktas get sudden enlightenment. Shaivas get slowly, like
Swamiji,
which side?
kitchen side. Mahadev kitchen.
Yes.
This 16 sound, in terms of functioning, is something like Khechari Mudra.
Khechari Mudra, you have to break
You
the
have to-
tongue, lot of things.
Yeah, but
You
in terms
understand?
of the end result, it's in the same location.
Maybe I can say, without opening your tongue, making the Khechari Mudra happen. But a Khechari Mudra is very quick process. In a year, you will become enlightened. This, if you do it on your own, it will take long time. Because I am doing it, it will start happening immediately.
Thank you.
But it's a lot of risk in the modern day. I can't promote Khechari Mudra, that is why I am not doing it. Where you have to cut your tongue with the darba, the dhruva grass, step by step, and it helps you to awaken the Kundalini. It's a different process, don't worry, don't bother about it. There are methods. In 12 hours you can become enlightened. They will insert a small wooden piece into your third eye. Just by force they will awaken it. In 12 hours you will have the totally different understanding about the world and the cosmos just by altering your physiology. But those methods are all in the modern day with these modern day laws and regulations of the country, it can't be practiced, it's outdated. It has been killed by the stupid constitutions of the country where all these traditions are not respected. You see, this generalizing, franchising religions have destroyed all the indigenous religions of the local areas. Like a McDonald's killing the different various village cooking methods. So many of the local traditional methods have been destroyed. I have seen this piercing and all that. In 10-15 minutes the person goes to the space of beyond pain and his whole life he will not have pain. The body becomes so alive with the Kundalini. See, in the village temples and all, still now this one thing is somehow by God's grace is protected. The piercing the back, piercing the tongue, all that. I have seen literally, which and I myself have gone through. They will poke the lemon in the back. They will do some maybe 200 lemon. By 30th or 40th lemon, you will lose the pain. If you finish the 200, your body will be raised to such, for your whole life you will not have something called pain. The system, the Kundalini is so strongly hit. It decides to be awake and protect you. For your life, you will not have anything called pain. So, if you are bold enough, courageous enough, I will sincerely recommend you go through at least some smaller level, smaller version which you can handle. Some 10 small spear and all that. I have gone through, and I used to do even in Biddi in those days. Only after this attack I stopped doing it. There are, you can see. I think after that I stopped. After that I stopped because these fools, they try to get something to harass us, na? So I stopped. But you can, I'll strongly promote, if you have a right place and temples to do, you please go and try. It will really help your Kundalini awake. Even if you are afraid of big things, you can try with this just 10 small veil they will pierce on your body. And even for my birthday this time, the kids came and did from northern Karnataka. some 10 feet, 12 feet rods they just put inside the body and take it out. How many of you saw that? And no, even wound is not there after they removed that spear. All in front of your eyes in half an hour.